What's going on, everybody? Welcome to winning product number 2 of the series. Last week I started the series where I'm basically finding winning products for you guys, running some numbers, and letting you guys know that it is a winning product, and maybe you guys could sell it on your store and find profitability with that. Last week I went through the series. It was my first product. It was a blue light glasses. I'll leave a link to the video in the description below. This week, I'm going to be going over a different product, which you'll find in a second, but I would appreciate it if you guys like the content to please leave a comment if you like it, like the video itself, and subscribe for more. So without any further ado, let's just get right into it. So this week's product is an LED magnetic charging cable. I found this using one of the methods that I used in the product research video. So basically what I did was I just went into Facebook, I typed in 50% off, I went to videos, I was scrolling down, had to do a little bit of filtering here, but I came across this product here. I actually didn't think much of it. I've seen this product being advertised a lot, but I haven't really thought much of it up until now. So I went ahead, I saw that I had 4.2 million views on January 5th. Today is February 16th, so that's like pretty much a month ago. It had 4 million views in 1 month. So I went ahead and clicked on it, and it was an ad for this. Shit, that's really loud. So basically, it's just, you've definitely seen ads for this before. It's just a charging cable for your phone. It's got a bunch of different outputs for Android, iPhone, whatever it is. Anyways, I didn't really think much of this product whenever I've seen it. But their website sucks, by the way. I clicked on it, like nothing's coming up here. I can't even add to cart, even if see, I'm sure something's here, but see, I can click, but but yeah. So they're charging for $15 for a cable, which doesn't seem bad. I went ahead and went to Amazon to see what they're charging on Amazon. $14.90. This is a sponsored post. It's got pretty good reviews as well. $10.99. I don't know how long this cable is. I don't feel like clicking on it. $18.99 for 2 of them, $15 for 1 of them, 4 feet. So yeah, I mean, they sell pretty well. I mean, they have a lot of reviews on Amazon, so obviously it's selling there. And the crazy part is, I went ahead and I went to AliExpress and I looked up LED magnetic charging cable, and look at the amount of orders on these things: 106,000, 91,000, 82,000, 71,000. It's just insane how many. I was really surprised when I saw this, honestly. Because that's a shit ton of orders, right? And when you look up posture corrector, this is one of the most famous products, I guess, of 2018, maybe 2018, 2019. But look, 13. Let's filter it on orders. 67,000, 15,000. That cable is selling more than these freaking posture correctors are. Anyways. So the most sold one with 100,000, it's not the the lighting up one or whatever. So I had to kind of scroll down. This one is lighting up. I didn't actually see that before, but I think the one I found was down here. It's this 17,000 one. Yeah, I clicked on it over here before, but so this product is $2.30 for all these different colors. They have a bunch of different colors. They have 8-pin for iPhone. Type C, like this thing, I guess. I don't know what that's used for. I'm pretty sure USB-C. I mean, this is the MacBook cable. I don't know if you can see it. It's not gonna focus. But yeah. So I guess that's USB Type C, and then micro USB. Hold on, I need to raise my brightness. Okay. So yeah, they have cables for everything, and they're all the same price: $230, $230, $230. You can also buy plug only, and they charge 80 cents each. But we're gonna go ahead and assume that each product costs $2.30 plus $2.63 shipping to the U.S., which I believe is about $4.93. I did some calculations here before. $230 plus $2.63. Yeah, $4.93. And let's go back to the sheet where I did a lot of the calculations. So we saw before that this product had, I clicked on it, god damn it. That this product had 4.2 million views. So I went ahead and I posted that here. 4.2 million views. We usually use the assumption that there's for every 1,000 impressions, it'll cost you about $7.50 on average. in my past experience. So that's about 4,200 1,000 impressions. Times 7.5 will give you the ad spend of about 31,597. Now, rather than using the view content method that I used in last week's video, where basically it was about $1 per view content, and then I made an assumption on how many purchases based on how many people saw the actual product. This time, what I'm going to do is, I used to sell ice scrapers. It's one of my failed products in my videos, but my cost per purchase for that, on average, was about $6 to $8, and I think that the price range with this and the ice scraper are kind of similar, so I'm just going to use the same cost per purchase for that. So the cost per purchase on a $15 item is probably around $6 to $8 in my experience. Let's just say 7 to make it easier for us to make calculations. We'll just take the average. So what I did was I took the ad spend, 31,597, divided by 7, gave me about 44,514 purchases, right? And I'm just rounding because it's not a big deal. 45,14 purchases, right? So what I did was, normally I usually assume that their average order value is more than just one. Every customer will buy one. Usually some customers buy 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. So the average order isn't usually the price of just your one product, and you can also have upsells and whatnot. But in this case, I just used the average order value of $15 just to make it easier for us to see in terms of our calculations. So I just simply did 4514 times 15, and I got the revenue of about 67K, or 68K. And what I did was we calculated the cost per purchase before of about, not cost per purchase. We calculated the cost of goods to be about 4.93 per cable. And all I did was I just did the same thing. I multiplied it by the amount of purchases, which gives us a cost of goods sold of about $22,254. The ad spend we calculated previously based on their views and cost per impression, and that came up to $31,597. Processing fee, we usually use 3% average, even though it's a little less than that, which comes out to $2,031. And if you subtract all this, the revenue minus cost of goods minus ad spend minus processing fees, you get a net profit of about $11,827.70. Now, in terms of a return on ad spend, it's about a 2.14. So that's a really, really good. I'm actually really, I'm really surprised. And also, when it comes to this, when you're targeting people on Facebook, you can actually pick, you can target people based on the types of phones that they have. You can target only people who see it on their phones. So, yeah, I think this is really, I think this product has high potential, even though whenever I do usually scroll through it, I think it's a shit product. But, yeah, so that's this week's video. I hope you guys are liking the series so far. If you do like it, please like, comment, subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.